and welcome to KichaTube HD. Today I am at Mango County Resort, Palakkad, and it's amazing. There is swimming, there is cycling, there is boating, there is, can you believe it? Loads and loads of dogs like Saint Bernard and Beagle and many more. Their names are Kantari and Gauri. And you know why is this place called Mango County? Lots and lots of mangoes over here. So today I'll be joined by the chef Raju. I have with me Chef Raju from Mango County. Hi, welcome to the show. Today we're going to make coleslaw. So let's start. So in a bowl, and mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of sugar, two teaspoons of lime juice, thank you, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of milk. And can you add the pepper for me?
Yeah.
I think that mix.
Mix.
Salt?
Yeah.
Enough. Next, you add the vegetables.
Vegetable, yeah.
There are lots of crows around. I think they want this dish. Carrot, grated carrot. It's a huge mess. This is capsicum.
Yeah. Red capsicum.
Capsicum. Mix. In the meanwhile, can you add butter to that? And if you want, you can use this as a salad or you can use it as sandwich filling.
Mix, yeah.
Put it. Thank you. Is this okay? Can you spread it? Now our coleslaw sandwich is ready.
अभी तो सैंडविच रेडी है सर. तेने नाइफ में हाथ में ले रहा हूँ. तेने सैंडविच को मैं कटिंग करने के लिए जा रहा हूँ.
I can't touch the knife because when I'm 10 years old, I can touch the knife because it's very dangerous.
Sandwich ready.
Coleslaw sandwich is ready. Now it's taste.
Yeah, done.
Have one.
Yes, please.
Yummy.
Thanks, sir. Good.
So this is very easy, and thank you, Chef Raj.
Welcome.
Everyone, please do come to Mango County. It's very, very beautiful, and it's perfect. And if you come here, please do meet Chef Raj. So please subscribe, like, and follow on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter to KichaTube. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.